angle sum property of a triangle. Angle sum property of a triangle. Theorem 6.7. The sum of angles of a triangle is 180. So draw the figure. Give name ABC. Given triangle ABC. To prove A plus B plus C is equal to 180. Construction. Draw a line passing through A such that draw line DE such that DE parallel to BC. Now the proof. Proof. Give name angle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Since DE parallel to BC, by construction and AB is transversal line, therefore angle 1 is equal to angle 4. Equation first, alternate angles. Again DE parallel to BC, by construction and AC is transversal line, therefore angle 3 is equal to angle 5. This is equation number second. Alternate angles. Now DAB, DAE is a straight line. Straight line, therefore angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180. Linear pair. Now we can put the value of angle 1 and 3. You can put angle 1 is equal to angle 4 and angle 3 is equal to angle 5 is equal to 180. Using first and second. So therefore angle 4 become angle B, angle 2 become angle A, and angle 5 become angle C is equal to 180. Now it is proved. Now the next theorem 6.8, known as the exterior angle property. exterior angles property. Exterior angle property. Draw a triangle whose side is produced to D given a triangle ABC whose side BC is produced to D. To prove angle ACD is equal to angle A plus angle B. No construction, now proof. In triangle ABC, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180, which we proved just now. This is equation first. User angle sum property ASP. Now BCD is a straight line, so angle ACB plus angle ACD is equal to 180. This is second linear pair. From first and second, you can see the sum of all three angle and the two angle is 180. So both become equal. So angle A plus angle B plus we can give name C2 as angle ACB is equal to angle ACB plus angle ACD. Cancel ACB to ACB and get angle A plus angle B is equal to angle ACD, which is your result. You can write here proved.